By now, you've probably seen the word check mentioned on our site. But what is it really? A check is what tests or monitors something constantly. It can be a website or a server. The check will alert you when something goes down or becomes unavailable from your location or the whole internet. To make sure you're covered, you need at least a few checks for all dependencies. There are many types of checks to customize your monitoring. The basic one is an HTTP check and is incredibly easy to use. It will make sure your website, API, web app, or content such as fonts, JavaScript libraries, or other dependencies is available to your customers. For the tech-savvy, the Pingdom checks are highly customizable, and you can check for specific strings or add your own post data or custom headers to monitor more advanced features on your site. You can also test that your DNS is working, ping a server, test for an open TCP or UDP port, and a whole lot more. Setting up checks is performed in My Pingdom, either through the handy web analyzer or by adding them from monitoring and then clicking Uptime. Once you've added a check, our global network of probe servers will connect to your site on the interval you've chosen and alert you to any issues that might occur, whether they be server errors, timeouts, or plain old network problems. Additionally, we have transaction monitoring, a special type of check that actually simulates a user journey through parts of your website, such as online store, sign-up form, login form, or comment section. Being a clever and awesome person, you probably have a pretty solid firewall and some abuse prevention software set up. So please make sure to whitelist our probe servers so your Pingdom monitoring works.